everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today I am going to be doing all the jobs that I don't like to do, but they need to get done. Number one, I need to clean out anything that's dead. Number two, I need to take down all of my trellising, all the little structures that I have up. I need to take those down and it's time to pack them away for winter. Number three, I need to pack away all of my pots, take out anything that's dead, dump out the dirt, and actually wash them before putting them into storage. Let's get started. Okay, starting off at the kale bed, still looking absolutely great. These are staying, of course, I'm not gonna rip these out. I still pick from them and they'll even continue to go even once we have snow. I only take these out in the spring. On the other hand though, all this was chard. The pansies that I planted in spring, this basil that isn't even representative of basil anymore, needs to come out. Aren't those beautiful? I know they're just stems, but there's something so beautiful about Swiss chard leaves and stems. These kales are kind of dinky. This one got overridden by earwigs, so I'm gonna take these three out, which is a very easy job. Oh, maybe not. Look at that. Look at the stalk. And it's beautiful. Look how purple it is. Okay. The only thing I'm taking out of this bed are these dead cucumber plants. I shouldn't have left them this long, but I did. The only thing I'm gonna do is take them out and then remove the netting. This is more difficult to fold than a mattress cozy. It really is. That will do. That's how you do it. Okay. Oh, that was a piece of cake. I thought they were going to be in there much harder than they were. That makes life easy. Got a decent root ball on that, but now I'm going to go in the garbage. It should also be dry-ish. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Look at that. It still smells amazing. This was lemon time. Oh, beautiful. This is probably the last time I'm using my hose this year. I got about 6, maybe 7, 8 pots here that I just need to rinse out. The only reason why I do this is just to make sure that there's no bacteria or anything that's sitting there rotting over the winter or into next spring. It's a good practice. If you don't do it, you can always do it in the spring. But I'm gonna get them done now. pots are done and my hands are freezing because it's November and I was working with hose water. All this needed to get done and I'm happy I have it done. So next year I can get started on gardening even earlier and I don't have to worry about any of the mess. I would do a little bit more, but sadly sunlight is fleeting right now. So I'm gonna sign off now. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.